about. It'll make you wanna shout,
Blippi! Hi, I'm Blippi, and this is a backhoe toy. It's one of the most popular machines on a job site. And today, we're gonna explore a backhoe. This is the front bucket. That is the back bucket. These are the tires. This is a stabilizer leg. And there's one on the other side too. That is the engine. This is the tractor. The inside is the cab. This is the front bucket, also known as the loader bucket. It can carry up to 8,760 pounds. That's 3 hippopotamuses. Look at how big this back tire is. And the front tire is just a little smaller. And do you see these things? That's the tread, so the tire doesn't slip and slide. Whoa! These are the stabilizer legs. They go down and hold the ground, so then the backhoe is really stable while it digs. You want to see them go down? I do too! Whee! Whoa! This is the back digging bucket, and it can dig 25.9 feet out away from it. That's 4.5 Blippies laying down. That's a lot of Blippies! It can dig 15 feet deep underground. That's almost as tall as an adult giraffe. Whoa! Okay, now we know all the parts of the backhoe, so now we can get to digging. Whoa, whoa, whoa. First things first. Safety is first. I got my hard hat. I got my safety glasses. I got my earplugs. And I got my safety vest. So, before we get started though, we need to check the oil and the engine coolant before you start any piece of machinery. So, let's do that now. This is the engine. Let's check the engine coolant first. It's perfect. Okay, and this is the engine oil. And looks full to me. So, with that being said, we're ready to start the engine because fiddlesticks. Sometimes these things don't go in. Alright, well, now that it's in, we can start the engine. Alright, here we go! Let's put the stabilizer legs down. Woohoo! Now we're ready. That means the backhoe's backing up. So if you're ever near a piece of machinery and you hear that beep, 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 get out of the way, because the operator might not be able to see you. Want to see something cool? Watch this. Backhoes are really cool pieces of machinery. I had so much fun learning about backhoes with you. Bye!